What do I need to open an Ally Bank account? Intro. Hey there, future Ally Bank customer. Ever wondered what it takes to open an account with one of the most popular online banks around? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the requirements and steps to get your Ally Bank journey started. Hook, imagine having a bank that's always there for you, no matter where you are. A bank that offers competitive rates, 24/7 customer service, and a whole bunch of convenient features. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Ally Bank is here to make your financial life a whole lot easier. Body. Basic requirements. Let's start with the basics. To open an Ally Bank account, you'll need a few essential pieces of information. Your social security number. This is a must-have for any financial account. Your driver's license or state ID. This will help verify your identity. Your mailing address. This is where your account statements and other important documents will be sent. Your contact information. Make sure you have your phone number and email address ready. Additional requirements. Depending on the type of account you're opening, you might need some additional information. Minimum deposit. Some accounts require a minimum deposit to get started. This amount can vary depending on the account type. Proof of income. For certain accounts, you might need to provide proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns. Joint account information. If you're opening a joint account, you'll need information for both account holders. Steps to open an account. Now that you know what you need, let's go through the steps to open your Ally Bank account. Visit the Ally Bank website, head over to ally.com and click on the Open an Account button. Choose your account type. Ally Bank offers a variety of accounts, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and more. Select the account that best suits your needs. Provide your information. Fill out the online application form with the required information. Verify your identity. You might need to provide additional documentation to verify your identity. Fund your account. Once your application is approved, you can fund your account by transferring money from another bank or making a deposit. Benefits of opening an Ally Bank account. Now, why should you choose Ally Bank? Here are some of the benefits. High interest rates. Ally Bank is known for offering competitive interest rates on its savings and CDs. 24/7 online access. You can manage your account from anywhere, anytime. No monthly fees. Ally Bank doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees on most of its accounts. Mobile banking. The Ally Bank mobile app makes it easy to check your balances, transfer money, and pay bills. Excellent customer service. Ally Bank has a reputation for providing top-notch customer service. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Opening an Ally Bank account is a simple process that can provide you with a range of financial benefits. Whether you're looking for a high-interest savings account or a convenient checking account, Ally Bank has something to offer. Call to action. Ready to get started? Visit ally.com today and open your account in just a few minutes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and advice. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep banking smart.